Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. I am your teacher Ambish. This lesson is for grade 9. The chapter is logarithm. We are moving to the question. The question is given to you. We have to find out the value of the given question by using the log table. The question is what? 438 has in power 3 into square root of 0.056 and divided by 388 has in power 4. We are supposing that this full value is equal to x. The given value is equal to x. Now we are applying log on both sides. Log of x is equal to log of that given value. You are observing that there are some laws which are written in the box we are going to use for this question to solve that question. The first one is the product, means the log of m into n. We can write as a form of sum, means the two number we can write as a sum, log of m plus log of m. Then log of n divided by n, this is the division. So division we can write as a difference, log of m minus log of n. And the third one is the exponent. If log of m has an exponent n, so n we will write before the log and then log of m. Now we are moving to the solution. As we are observing that the first two values were multiplying, so we can write as a form of sum, log of 438 power 3 plus log of square root 0.056, and the third value that was in the denominator means dividing, so we will write as a difference, minus log of 388 has in power 4. Okay, this square root, I know that it is equal to the power 1 by 2, so changing it as a power or exponent, the first value write as it is, the second one remove that radical sign and change the power as 1 by 2, and then the third value as it is. Okay, now using the third law of logarithm, that is the exponent, I am writing the exponent before the log. This is 3, then the log of 438, and the exponent is 1 by 2. In the second value 1 by 2 I will write before the log, and then 0.056, and then minus 4, which is the exponent, and log 388. After that, how to calculate this log? Look over there, 438. I told you that how to write this as a form of index notation. In the form of index notation, it becomes 4.38 into 10 raised to power 2. So that 2 will be actually your characteristics. So we will write the 2 point and then the value of 4.38 we will calculate in the log calculator. We will find the log of that value, that will be equal to 0.6415. Same way, if I am writing as a form of exponent, so it becomes 5.6 and 10 raised to power minus 2. So minus 2 is my characteristics, and then 5.6 I will use the calculator to find the value of the log, that will be equal to 0.7482. Same way, we have 388. In this case, when I am writing as a form of index notation, it will be 3.88 into 10 raised to power 2, and that power of the 2 become characteristics of that value, and then 0.5888, that will be the answer of the log. Okay, this 3 is multiplying with the number and I am getting 7.9245, and then when look over there, 2 is dividing. When I will divide the number by 2, I will get minus 1.3741, and when I am multiplying by 4, I am getting minus 10.3552. Okay, in the next step what I will do, this minus become, look over there, this minus sign with the 1, there is a negative 1, so minus and plus become minus, and the next value after the decimal it become positive. Okay, due to that sign, plus sign is there, so this minus 1 become minus, and the next value after that decimal it become positive, that one 0.3741, and then minus 10.3552. We are observing that two values are positive, so I will add these two values, 7.9245 plus 0.3741, the answer will be 8.2986. And these two values, -1 and -10.2986,